Hi friends, I'm Alan Thomas Pallad from Kasargod, Kerala, India. On this beautiful day, I'm glad to stand before you to introduce to you a rare currency of Uzbekistan. And the currency that I would like to present before you is one of the most beautiful currencies of an Asian country. And in this period of lockdown, I would like to give an advice to all my viewers and subscribers: stay home and stay safe to fight the spread of the coronavirus epidemic. Let's fight coronavirus together. I hope that all my friends would like my video, and if you like my video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's see this beautiful banknote. Dear friends, this is the 200 som banknote of Uzbekistan. This beautiful banknote was published in the year 1997. The obverse side of the banknote is made beautiful with beautiful illustrations and motifs. This is the official seal of the state of Uzbekistan. This beautiful emblem depicts a sun rising over a valley. It has beautiful illustrations of cotton balls on the left side and wheat sheaves on the right side. And this surrounds the legendary bird of happiness, which is the national bird of Uzbekistan. This beautiful banknote, at the first sight, resembles a beautiful carpet of the Arabian culture. Another remarkable symbol on the obverse side of the banknote is the 8-pointed star, which is the symbol of Islamic unity. The design of flowers, leaves, and a yellow-green-brown blend make this banknote mind-blowingly beautiful. On the other side of the banknote is a beautiful depiction of the mythological Uzbekistani tiger. This is famous in Uzbekistan as the lion tiger, and this beautiful illustration was adopted from a mosaic on the entrance wall of the Sherdor Madrasa in Samarkand, Uzbekistan, which was built in 1636. This is the real mosaic of the mythological tiger, and this is the Sherdor Madrasa where this illustration was painted. A brown, blue, yellow, green blend give this banknote a unique appearance similar to that of an Arabic carpet. With beautiful illustrations and paintings and rare designs, this banknote is really the most beautiful banknote of an Asian country. The watermark on this beautiful banknote also depicts the legendary bird of happiness, which is a part of the state symbol of Uzbekistan with wheat sheaves and cotton balls. Thank you.